Thank you, Jesus.
Hello. Hello, beautiful and amazing Pathfinders. Welcome back again to another helpful video. Yes, fam, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I, for one, I'm doing very well, to God be the glory, as you can see. Yeah. Yes, fam, today's video is actually another helpful video. All right, I'm going to be showing you how you can naturally get rid of skin tag. All right, with the help of the things you have within your kitchen. Yeah, I know to some people it doesn't really matter. Skin tag is nothing to them, but to some people it is a big deal. It can be very, very annoying. It can be very, very irritating and bothersome, especially when you've got them in those areas that you cannot cover up. It is a very irritating thing to some people. All right, yeah, and please, if you know, all right, that you fall within the category of those that really want to get rid of the skin tag, this video is actually for you. But if you know, oh, it doesn't really matter, auntie, you can as well use it, uncle, you can as well use it, okay? And please do so well to forward it to your friends and family, all right, to be able to help 1 or 2 persons. Yes, and this remedy is actually for male and female, okay? It is not for only female, all right? Okay. Did you hear me? So you can use it, your husband can use it, aunties and uncles can use it as well, all right, to get rid of their skin tags. Yeah, what we are going to be doing today is to use these home remedies to shrink these skin tags, all right, until they fall off. Yes. The reason why you always see these skin tags on the surface of the skin surviving, it's because there is a regular blood flow to it. So we are going to be using these remedies to shrink it and to stop the blood flow to it until it falls off. So that is what we are going to be doing in this video. Here I've got a little water, okay? And here I've got apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be adding some, just like a teaspoon, to mix with this water, okay? The water can be up to like a tablespoon of water, and you add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to it. And now, for instance, this is our skin tag, all right? Okay, that we are going to be treating. You have to get your cotton pad, dip it inside a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar, and use it to dress your skin tag. Just use it to clean it, to disinfect the area. Now you get your banana, okay? If you can get the one that is very, very ripe, okay, very soft and tender, that will be more recommendable, okay? But this is the one I was able to lay my hands on. Now you peel it. Now after peeling your banana, just cut it in sizes and shapes that you want. For instance, I've got these ones. These ones are already squeezed. Just give it a very good squeeze, the banana peel. Then place it right on top of where you have the skin tag, or the area where you have the skin tag. And get a plaster to hold it. You can leave it like this for hours. You can leave it overnight. All right. The next morning, you just take off the plaster. So the substance which has antiseptic properties that we got from this banana peel, all right, is going to help to shrink the skin tag until it falls off. All right. So keep doing it repeatedly until you get your results. Okay. This one is for sensitive skin, if you know you've got sensitive skin. So we are moving on to step number 2. All right. Stay tuned. For the non-sensitive skin, just get an egg. Get your plate, an egg. We are going to be using the egg whites, okay? Now, All right. Okay. And I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of salt. Just whisk, as you can see. Now, before you apply the egg white and salt on the area where you've got the skin tag, you have to use apple cider vinegar to clean up the area. All right, it's like you're disinfecting the area, just dressing your wound before you apply the medication. All right, so the reason why we are not diluting it this time around is because it is for non-sensitive skin. So just get your cotton pad and pour your apple cider vinegar. Pour your apple cider vinegar on your cotton pad and use it to dress the area where you've got your skin tag. I know some skin tags can be very, very annoying, as in they're not in one place at all. You have them all over. So what you have to do is to clean the area, whether your face, your neck, just clean them up, all right? Clean every area up. Then you get your egg white and salt that you've already beaten. Here you go with your cotton pad. Use it to rub the area like so. Keep rubbing, keep rubbing. If it is your face, your neck, just keep rubbing. You leave it to dry permanently, okay, before you wash off. All right. Step number 3, get lemon, okay, and squeeze. Squeeze lemon into a container. After that, get baking soda. All right. We are going to be adding a teaspoon of baking soda into this mixture. When you're adding, you try to check the consistency if it is okay for you. All right, because we need something like a paste. Okay. Yes, the mixture of this one is entirely up to you. Make sure you use it to form a thick paste. I'm still going to be adding a little more. Yes, this is the consistency that we want. All right. So just use your cotton pad, okay? And after dressing your wound, make sure you use apple cider vinegar as well to dress the area. Use it to rub the areas where you've got the skin tag. All right? Rubbing. You leave it to dry permanently, okay, before you wash off. All right? Don't leave it overnight. If you want it to fall off quickly, you can do it in the morning and at night. All right. Step number 1, I repeat, it is for sensitive skin. Although it is going to take a long time for it to fall off, but it is better you wait for it to fall off than to burn your skin because you've got a sensitive skin. So the step number 2 is for non-sensitive, and this step number 3 is as well for non-sensitive skin. All right. Yes. Thank you all so much for watching. Okay, baby is already looking for me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and please do share with friends and family. I will be seeing you all in my next one, and I believe maybe in the next 2 weeks you are coming back to the comment section to come and testify. Do it frequently. Start it from now that you're watching this video. All right, and do it frequently. You'll be able to get a very fantastic result. Honestly, this remedy is trusted.